How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be finally finishing off our first stage of modifications on the Nissan Micra. We've got our painted spoiler here, we've got our JDM toe strap. But first, before we do any of that and we get to playing, we've got this Toyota Verso. And we need to get a service done on it so we can pay the bills, right?
Go ahead, pay the bills.
So yeah, we'll get this cracked out and then we can start having fun playing with the Micra.
So that's the Toyota Verso away. Now we can get on with something a bit more fun. Now, if you watched the behind the scenes video, you'll have seen that we killed our compressor and painted this spoiler, and we got some nasty runs in it. But what we want to do is get it fitted to the car. We can worry about painting that again later. We're going to try and flatten them down a wee bit. Hopefully most of it will come out and it'll look okay, and there's going to be a decal on it anyway saying home built. So we're going to put that on. But it does mean we have to drill some holes. So off camera, we messed about and we made some templates out of the inside. We test fitted it. We've lined everything up, and we've got a wee black dot where we need to drill the bolt holes. We're going to tiger seal the rest, aren't we, Charlie?
Oh yeah, just because up here there's big multiple layers of skin and all the wiring for
the wiring goes through
this.
Yeah, for the back lights and everything, so
Yeah,
we can't exactly drill through that, so we'll just tiger seal that. It's only a wee light spoiler anyway.
yeah, and this thing's not going to be doing 200 miles an hour.
No, the
Round
tiger
the
seal will be
racetrack.
more than enough to hold
Yeah.
it. So tiger seal with a bolt on each side, we should be good to go. Once we get it tiger sealed on and bolted on, we'll give it a rub down, polish it back up and see if we can get most of the runs out of it and make it look presentable. So, but now's the time I've not been looking forward to, and that's drilling through the fresh paint and through the Micra.
It's not really fresh, it's been on there for a few weeks now. But drilling through the pristine Micra,
I'm not looking forward to it, but
no.
that's to be done.
Cool.
I'm scared.
Go on, keep going.
I'm scared. Oh. So we need to put a little bit of paint on as well, just to stop that corroding. But we're also going to tiger seal around it as well, so that should stop it corroding. We'll get a nice bolt in there, a couple of washers. This wee thing's going to look awesome with its spoiler.
We can get a sticker that says #BigWangGang.
So somebody actually commented on the last video that the beans should be on a t-shirt. I think that would be hilarious.
Yeah, actually I thought on the back, was that the beans with the Micra doing a burnout?
Yeah.
But in that cartoon effect, you know?
That'd be cool. We could have the home built garage logo on the front, and was that the beans on the back?
Yeah, that'd be
That
cool.
would be awesome. But we need to finish getting these other t-shirts out first. We've sent out over 100 already. There was only 200 made. Over 100 are sent out already, so we're almost there. What we got left? Mum's doing a load to now, and then we're going to pack them up when we get back. We'll drop them at the post office, so hopefully, do you reckon we should get them all done by the end of this week, maybe, hopefully?
Yeah, hopefully.
And then we'll update the website with some new ones like these.
Yeah. With the oh, you won't get this logo. This is one off.
This is the
other
logo.
The grey hoodies with the new logo.
Yeah, this is the t-shirt pre-order logo.
Yeah,
Only we're having this.
Well, we've got it on the back, and then on the pre-order it comes on the front.
Yeah, only we've got this, and 200 of you guys that ordered it. So. Right, so the next stage of sticking this on is using some tiger seal. So we marked it up, we've drilled it out. I've put some black paint on there because it's all I had. to cover the bare metal. And we have retapped the threads in the spoiler because they were a bit rusty.
Bit filled with paint.
We've taken the old rubber seals off to give the Tiger seal a good surface to stick to. This stuff will probably hold it on alone. This stuff is brilliant. But we're going to have the 2 bolts in there as well, just for some added security. Because we do need to drive this in the next half hour or so. Just had a phone call, something quite interesting came up. We're going to take you guys along with us so we can have a wee look. And we'll see what it is. So we'll stick this on, get it bolted down, and then we'll go for a wee trip. Keys in it?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Right. Go for a wee run. It's what?
My side is dried well, but yours is up a little bit.
It's okay.
Solid though. Good one anyway.
Yeah. Spoiler's on. It's looking good. Bit of tape to hold it. It's bolted on as well. We've rubbed it in, we've not polished it up yet. But it's looking loads better. But anyway, let's go for a run out to East Kilbride and go have a nosy.
Have a wee look.
Right, so we've actually came out. Nice little drive in the sunshine. Spoilers.
It's cloudy here, but
Spoiler stayed on. We've came to see a little Hyundai i10 that we might be purchasing. So on first impressions, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty straight. It hasn't got the usual rusty tailgate that you normally find in Scotland. Normally here, along the bottom of the window, round the boot handle, that's normally rotten. It's got a little tiny bit starting just there. But other than that, looks pretty clean, and we've just been joined by another one. So I'm thinking this might be the guy that owns it, so hopefully we'll have some keys. Let's I'll stop recording now just in case they don't want filmed, but we'll fill you back in shortly. Right, so the wee Hyundai was actually quite a good looking car actually. Head gasket's definitely gone in it, so I've came back. We're just going to price up the parts now. Charlie's getting the Micra wash again. He's going to end up washing the paint straight off of this, but we're going to go and price up the bits, and hopefully it's something we can squeeze into our budget now, because, well, yeah, taking on the units left us a bit tight, but hopefully that can get us back into flipping cars again. Or it'll be perfect for Rianne, won't it?
Yeah.
If Rianne's up for it. We'll wait and see. Wait and see. Let's go and price up some parts. Charlie's gave it a wash and a clean, and we're just taking the masking tape off now. But he's actually peeled a bit off, and a bit of the paints came off.
No, that was you.
Well, I peeled it off a little bit. Did any more come off?
No, it's alright.
Right. Just a squarey bad prep. We must have missed that bit with the sandpaper. We'll need to touch it in, won't we?
Yeah.
We still need to polish it as well.
Oh, no, mind.
Oh, is that another?
That was me that did that earlier with a Stanley.
Ah, that's just a tiny wee chip. You won't even see that. Don't lock the keys in the boot. Right, shut the lid. Let's have a look.
It's wet, so it looks semi-polished.
Yeah, it's a lot more secure now, isn't it? The Tiger seal's got a grip. That looks so much better. It just continues the red roof. It doesn't look as weird now.
No.
I'm actually thinking we should maybe see that bit of white at the top. Should we paint that red?
No.
Do you think that's all? Do you think that's all right, white?
Yeah. It just makes it look more of a race car instead of coming around flat like a old granny car.
Well, we're going to have the white sticker along the top, so that should finish it off.
The red Adam eaten.
Maybe.
Back windows.
Maybe. There we go. The spoiler's finally on. I think it looks loads better. I think we'll get a wee polish off camera, and then we'll get on with something else.
I'm still got to keep looking for the one that comes down the edge, because
The wraparound spoiler looks really good.
If anyone's got any JDM checkers red and black floor mats, send
Yeah.
them out to us, please.
We want the red and black checkered floor mats. I can't find them.
No. And
I've
when
looked.
you do, they're super expensive.
Yeah. So if anybody's got a tailor-made car mat company that wants to help us out, give us a shout.
Yeah.
That's it for the day. We're going to go home and package up some more t-shirts for posting. I'll book some more Royal Mail postage. And yeah, we'll crack on again tomorrow. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.